The pioneering PFREUNDT WK60 weighing system for excavators can also be easily integrated into existing excavators. With the PFREUNDT excavator scale, the material in the bucket is weighed during the loading process of the excavator without interfering with the loading process itself. The data is recorded in the system and transferred to the browser-based PFREUNDT web portal almost in real time. This offers you individual evaluation functions and convenient access to your weighing data at any time. Digitization makes work easier, saves time and money, and optimizes your processes. Make your company fit for the future. Find out more at www.freunt.de/en.